Alright, what's up, guys? So I was testing the vinyl wrap that I got. It's 3M, no, 3 line. It's like the shit I bought off fucking eBay. And I wanted to wrap my gas tank, but I ain't have enough. So I said, alright, why not just fucking find something to wrap? Cause carbon fiber looks nice on everything. So I tested out my door panel, well, the door handle, and it came out really good. I'm gonna show you what the wrap looked like in the sun, so you have an idea of it. All right, so this is how the wrap looks in the sun. Looks real. So this is the door handle. This looks pretty real to me. I mean, it's not fucking perfect, but far away. Oh shit, your boy got carbon fiber handles. Oh shit. So I wish I could record the other side, but I'm not. Maybe I'll try. Get shit going, and we'll see what I can do and try to record some of it as I can for you guys. And yeah. So got this, what's this shit called again? Carbon fiber wrap from eBay. And we're gonna wrap this door handle.
Yeah. Yeah.
I ain't no professional. I just try my own mods and shit, but yeah. This works with a heat gun, but since I got the beautiful hot fucking sun beaming on it, this shit's getting soft by itself. So it forms by itself. I ain't gonna give you no tips on how to do this shit, cause I ain't no professional. So you just wrap it. And this shit is not cutting. Not fucking cutting either. Fuck.
The struggle of life.
Hot. Got all that metal shit on my mouth.
Why?
Huh? Look. Got all that shit in my fucking mouth, look.
Did you put it in your mouth?
Yeah.
For what?
I was holding it.
Sweating like a little Mexican?
It's hot as fuck. God, I'm moving to Florida. I hate the heat. Fucking crazy. Just moved to Florida. low key looks nice and full. I feel like I did this side better than I did the other.
They both look good.
Huh?
So they both look good.
Shit, it's hot. That shit look good as fuck.
Yes. Good job.
Word. So we out here, you know, putting fake carbon fiber on the car because we're poor and we can't afford, you know, the good shit. So stay tuned for more videos. I got more content going up this week, I think, if I edit them and I do it. But yeah, that was how to wrap your door handles. I know I ain't explained shit, but thank you for watching.